What's up, everybody? It's your Honeydews handyman, Matthew. No, I did not start a new baseball career, but we did just get done repairing and reinstalling the circuit board in this spin ball pitching machine for our client, along with some of the exercise equipment you see behind me that needed some maintenance, needed some parts put on it so these folks could get this gym going and their baseball team to the top. So if it's an odd mixed bag, like a broken pitching machine, or maybe even some of that exercise equipment that you just don't know what to do with or where to get parts from, holler Honeydews, we can help you. It's a promise.